Hello, I am going to teach you how to access the MLA International Bibliography database. To begin, you want to go to libraries.dal.ca. Once you arrive there, you can see the header Search Library Resources. Underneath it are several tabs. We will click on the Databases tab. Once that has been clicked, we will search by database name. In this case, we will type in MLA International Bibliography. Once that's typed in, we can hit enter and we are brought to a new screen. You can see that the top search result is the MLA International Bibliography. Go ahead and click that and you have arrived. Hello. I'm going to show you how to perform a simple search and retrieve a resource. To begin, let's look at these three boxes at the top of the screen. These are known as search fields. You use these fields to type in keywords related to your chosen topic. Let's say you wanted to research the novel Oliver Twist. Simply type in Oliver Twist and hit enter. We are brought to the search results page. As you can see, there's 373 resources in total. However, we are only seeing the first 20. Now we want to get our resource. The most direct way of doing this is using this button, Get It at Dal. Clicking on this button will bring you to this new screen. Paying attention to this section here, you can see that it says full text available at Project Muse Premium Collection. Hit the Go button and you are brought to that particular resource's location. And from here, you can find the resource, usually in the form of a PDF. Hello. I'm going to review some useful basic tools to make your time performing research even more effective. The first tool is the options of making folders. Folders are useful for saving resources that look promising to your research. To save a resource on the search results page, you simply click on this blue button. As you can see, a folder has this item now. I must also emphasize that creating an account by clicking on the sign in button up here is a very good idea, as your account will contain your saved resources even after you've closed your browser. Another useful feature is the citation feature. If you click on an individual resource and you are brought to that resources page, over on the right is a toolbar with several useful tools. And as you can see, a citation feature. This contains all formats that you could possibly want. All of the tools discussed here are far from a comprehensive list. Please consider consulting with a librarian for further instruction and guidance on additional useful tools.